Hey everyone, here's my workout training summary for the month of February. It's a brief one, but it's mostly about the big three lifts, kind of piggybacking about what I went over in the last video with the back to basics type approach. I'm using weights as the primary form of exercise, lifting weights, and within that area, the bread and butter as the big three lifts or some variation of those being the squat, the bench, and the deadlift. For me, I think my workouts are the best when I incorporate these at the beginning in some way or shape or form. So it doesn't necessarily have to be free weights. It can be machine weights. It can be using the Smith machine. It can be using dumbbells, barbells, but the general outline is a squat movement, a deadlift movement, a bench press movement, and then from there the workout just kind of flows naturally. It feels like the hard work is done at the beginning, so the rest, it doesn't feel too challenging. It's more of just adding a little bit extra work in, but as long as the big three lifts are the beginning, I don't know why I would have ever kind of deviated from that. In the past, I've done the big three lifts and it's worked well for me, so I don't know why I would take a break from it, except maybe injuries or staleness, lack of progress. But it seems like things just always circle back to those basic things that have been there. After a while, you eventually get back to doing things over and over again. With the years and experience in lifting weights, you eventually you get around to everything, or you try as much as possible, and then you end up circling back to what you've done in the past, what's been proven, what's been tried and true. So I can't preach enough the using lifting weights in general, and then also using the big three lifts. And from there, you can just kind of tailor the workout to whatever you want to work on at the time, whatever your goals would be, bodybuilding, strength building, etc. And sometimes it's just surprising how workouts can just a small tweak and things can get better, and sometimes less is more. A shorter workout can get the job done too. Even as a beginner, I would suggest trying the big three lifts, getting the movement down, getting stronger, and just from there kind of building off of that and see how long you can take it using that foundation.